Today on Cutler's Court.
Why aren't y'all more intimate more often?
We've been beefing a lot. I'm not one of those people that have angry sex.
That ain't a turn on.
That's not a turn on for me. And she is an angry person.
I'm trying to figure out how can I get it.
We can have an argument right now. And then if we leave this court, she gonna wanna have some sex.
He was like, let me see your phone. And I told him no.
There is no reason that a client should be calling at 12:11 at night.
Snatches my phone and throws it against the wall.
We'll find out today if he is ordered to pay. This is Cutler's Court. Shamika Oliver is suing her boyfriend and business partner for $135 after he broke her cell phone in an argument. She says their business is thriving, but their love life is suffering. William Boyce agrees their relationship is rocky, but claims it's not his fault. His girlfriend's behavior is suspicious, and he questions her loyalty.
Your Honor, this is case 1010, Oliver versus Boyce.
Thank you, Tashi. Good day, everyone.
Good day.
Miss Oliver and Mr. Boyce, you all are in love together, you're in business together, but yet there is something amiss, and you need some help getting this resolved today. Is that right?
Yes, sir.
Right, Miss Oliver, let's start with you. What's going on?
Well, Your Honor, we've been together for like 7 years, and we have 5 kids, but one is ours together. And we've been arguing daily, and it's getting worse and worse until he's broke my phone. So at this point, I think he's cheating on me.
Okay, you're arguing, he broke your phone, so therefore he's cheating.
We're not even having sex anymore, sir.
Oh,
okay.
We haven't had sex in about 5 months.
so you presume if he's not doing it at home, he's doing it somewhere.
He got to be doing it somewhere else. He ain't doing it with me.
Okay, and you all are in business together?
Yes, sir.
So you see each other on a daily basis?
We have a good communication with the business. But far as our love life, there's no love life no more.
So you can take care of business, but you're not taking care of business.
Yes, Your Honor.
I got you. All right, Mr. Boyce.
And she's tripping.
No,
she's
I'm
tripping.
not.
There's no possible way that I could cheat when we work together. We have
We
a catering
work together,
company
and we also
We
don't
have,
be together 24/7 either.
We have a media company together. There's no possible way.
Okay, so you may not be cheating,
Your Honor,
but
I have a story.
Hold on. But when was the last time you actually had sex with Miss
I would
Oliver?
say maybe like a month or 2 ago.
5 months ago.
We split the difference?
No,
Like-
5
like
months
3
ago.
months ago?
I can give and take.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'm interested in your story, Miss Oliver.
Okay, we go out and we interview different couples, you know, because we're couples corners. So we go out, we do
Your
interviews.
couples what?
We're couples
Couples corners.
corners.
Okay.
So we go out and we do interviews on individual singles or couples. And so we interviewed this young lady one night, and I mean, she didn't have on nothing, y'all. She was naked. But anywho, they was playing
She
some
was
type
actually naked?
of, I mean, it was a see-through dress.
Close enough. Might as
She
well.
didn't have on any
okay,
undergarment, so she was naked, and it was see-through. So my thing is, they're making eye contact, and right after we get through filming, he goes and breaks against her, and I'm like,
He
okay,
goes and does what against her?
you know how you walk against somebody because you like them, and you
You
know,
kind of brush up against her?
brush up against them, but
Fabricate.
Okay.
That's fabricated.
no,
Hold
it's
on,
not.
hold on.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
All right.
So later on that night, he said he left his phone. So we was closer to my house, so he dropped me off. And so he goes back, and it takes 30 minutes to get to the place.
Okay.
But it took him 3 hours to come back. So I'm thinking that he slept with the girl because he didn't know anybody there. We was there working.
And she was the only one he kind of brushed up against.
Yeah.
On the way there, she was already in my ear nagging, so I just decided to, stay
Just hang
out
out.
there. But I wasn't no cheating or nothing. And she's talking about cheating, but she cheated on me. In
Oh.
the past, when we first started talking.
So now, here's what I find interesting. He never said anything about the half-naked or almost naked woman that he allegedly brushed up against. He didn't say anything about that.
Okay.
All right.
So what does that tell you?
I don't know. He's shaking his head like, oh, I should have said something about that. Well, was there a woman there who was very scantily clad?
Yes, we
okay.
interviewed a lot of people. She wasn't attractive in any kind of way for her to even think that
I mean, I don't know.
would go
You're not
back.
having sex with me, so you got to be having sex with somebody.
Okay,
So-
so Miss Oliver.
My mind is playing tricks on her, Your Honor.
Okay. One question. When you went back, was this scantily clad woman still at the place where you...
No.
Okay, go ahead, love.
So why did it take you 3 hours?
Because I didn't want to deal with her. Like that not that night, because before we was going, she was all
You
in my
don't wanna
ear
deal
about
with me
the
no
girl.
nights.
Like, yeah, you see, she was so.
So you
I didn't want to
admit
hear all of that.
you admit you were gone for that period of time,
Yeah.
but it wasn't because
Yeah,
you
I
were
was
cheating.
gone.
You just didn't want
I
to
just
go back
didn't wanna
home to what
deal
she was
with-
serving up.
I just didn't want to deal with Miss Minnie that day.
All right, so Miss Oliver, you said you are interview couples. You call it couples corner.
Yeah.
Are you giving them advice? Are you talking to them about?
Yeah, we give good advice and look at us.
So you all are giving advice to couples
Yes,
about
sir.
how to get along, how to.
Yes, sir.
But you are stuck on this cheating thing.
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
So
It's another story.
Okay.
I mean, we went to Target one time, and when we get in there, we don't stay together all the time. He need what he needed, I need what I need.
Okay.
So we separated. But when I got back to him, he was in some skank face. And he said it was for business. And I'm like, was it really for business, or are you using it to say, trying to talk to somebody else?
Can I say something?
Yes, sir.
please,
She's talking about all of these girls, all of these girls, all of these girls, right? But did she tell you that in our catering business, most of the clients are guys that she deal with? So and
Do you
she
have a
does-
problem with that?
No, I don't. But I have a problem with like her hiding stuff. That's why we got into the phone situation. Like I was about to say, you see how she's dressed right now?
Yes.
This
It's very nice.
is bull.
Oh.
When she's out delivering to the caterer, she have on shorts.
And
she
I do.
showing her breasts.
And I do.
She have on tight
And I do.
pants.
And I
She's
do.
flirting with the
We're in
guys.
Texas, it's
but
hot,
yet,
and I do.
I'm here and she's accusing me.
the way that you complained about her dressing, was she dressed like that when you first met her?
No.
So that's not what attracted you to her?
I mean, what attracted me to her was, the individual that she is, her personality. We talked for before we even
Your Honor, it's hot in Texas,
before
so-
we even got with each other. We had a we talked for a long periods of time.
So
So
you
I
saw-
got to know her before I got to know her.
So you saw her personality from across the room. That's what made you say, huh? That was her personality.
Basically, she's questioning me, but yet she cheated on me. I never cheated on her.
Up next,
We don't really have time
still
for
have
each other
time.
like that. We don't really.
It don't take but 5 minutes.
Miss Oliver,
She's 40. She's hitting her sexual peak.
Exactly. I want it, and I want it now. I'm not even having sex anymore, sir.
So you presume if he's not doing it at home, he's doing it somewhere.
He got to be doing it somewhere else. He ain't doing it with me.
Okay, so Miss Oliver, is this true? There was a cheating incident involving you early in your relationship?
Yes, when we first started talking.
Okay, so is there cheating going on now?
No.
Okay, do you understand why he would be concerned about you wearing, I think in the file it said boy shorts and revealing tops. Do you understand why that would be upsetting? to
We're in
him?
Texas. It's hot. It's like 103, 104 degrees sometimes.
But you've been dressing comfortably or so you can be cool the whole time you all been together, right?
since you've known him.
Yes.
Okay, this isn't something that just started like 3 years ago.
No.
And he's like, baby, you changed.
Yeah, ain't nothing changed about me.
Okay.
Still the same old person.
I'm still like I said, I'm still confused. Like she's accusing me, but yet she has a lock on her phone. I don't. She
Well,
like I
it
said,
sounds like she
cheated,
don't have
I
a phone at all right
Well,
now.
I mean, she
Well,
had a
Your
lock
Honor,
on
I
her
do have a phone right now because I
She
had to
had a
purchase
lock on her
myself
phone.
because he wouldn't buy me
But-
another one after
Well, hold
breaking
on,
mine.
hold on, Miss Oliver, 1 second. Mr. Boyd, so she had a lock on her phone. Why did that
He know
bother
the
you?
code.
Hold on.
It bothers me because it feels like she's hiding something. Why you got a lock on your phone when she asked me for my phone? I don't have a problem.
I don't
giving it
ask
to
you
her.
for your phone, though.
Or when she's checking my phone, I don't,
I
have
don't
a
check
problem
your
giving
phone,
it
Your
to her.
Honor.
Okay, so your problem with her having a lock on her phone is just the mere fact that she's locking and she's trying to hide something. What do you think she's trying to hide?
Probably trying to hide the fact that she's probably cheating or something again. Who knows?
Tell me what happened with the phone.
With the phone accident, I was texting and he walked up behind me. He can clearly see who I'm texting. I was texting a client. So he comes around and he was like, let me see your phone. And I told him no. I said, I'm talking to a client. Well, who are you talking to? I said, I'm talking to Jay. Okay. And so he got mad and he snatches my phone and throws it against the wall where he almost hit our little girl.
Did you throw the phone?
No.
Well,
was
how the phone
tussling-
get
we
broke?
We was tussling for the phone. And you know how when you tussling for the
Pulling?
phone, yeah, and it just
That's a lie.
happened to go. But My office hours are from 9 to 5.
That's your office hours.
My office hours are from 9 to 5. There is no reason that a client should be calling at 12, 11 at night
It was not your
for her to, there's no reason for that. My office hours are from 9 to 5.
You say he threw the phone against the wall. You say it accidentally got broken
just
in the tussle.
Yeah, accidentally got broken.
So you
So
do
he's
agree that
saying-
the phone broke.
Yeah.
Okay, so this
Oh.
is the phone. And so when the phone accidentally got broken in the tussle, what did you do?
Nothing.
Did you apologize? Did you?
Yeah, I apologize, but she was acting all suspicious and she was acting all crazy
So
about
what are you acting like?
She didn't
You
even
don't
want
even
to
talk
let
to
me
me
know
no more.
who
We don't
had-
have sex.
She didn't even want to let me know who she was talking to.
What are you doing?
Why aren't y'all more intimate more often?
We've been beefing more. We've been beefing a lot, and
And
I'm
I've
not one of
tried.
those. I'm not one of those people that have angry sex.
That ain't a turn on.
That's not a turn
Yeah,
on for me.
I
And
tried
she
him
is
trying
an
to-
angry
Hold on, Miss Alva.
person. She's an angry person.
I
Don't
am
let
not
this.
angry.
Don't let this nice
I
thing
am
fool
not
you. She's an
angry.
angry person. She's a mean person.
Are you turned on by angry sex?
I mean, yeah, he turned me on sometimes.
Drunken, angry sex.
Hold on.
So you're okay with angry sex?
Yeah, I'm okay with angry sex, but the thing is, if I call him and I'm talking sexy and I'm trying to get him to he don't even
doesn't
swing on to
respond.
it. Yeah.
Okay.
I even walk naked in front of him. He ain't trying to do nothing right now. He probably do the computer more than he do me.
I did see in the court papers that you had planned an evening and you were in the bed ready for him.
Yeah.
And he came in and went straight to sleep.
So that's not angry. So that's just.
No, this girl, she always forgetting to add in the facts. And the facts is, she wants to have sex. Like we can have an argument right now, and then if we leave this court, she gonna want to have some sex.
Your Honor, he's
So
lying.
it's like she tried to start an argument just to have sex. That's not gonna work.
Well,
Right,
if that's
and-
what I got to do, I'm trying to figure out how can I get it. How can I get sex with my man?
Okay, well,
Yeah.
wait.
Wait.
Hold on. Stop it.
We'll arm wrestle for it.
No, I'm not doing that. So here's the thing. What does she need to do to get you in bed beside, and when I say get you in bed, not just going to sleep?
We work a lot. We
Yeah.
work a lot with the nonprofit organization, with the catering company, with the media. We work a lot, so we don't really have time
still
for
have
each other
time.
like that. We don't really.
Don't take but 5 minutes.
Miss Alva,
5 minutes ain't enough. 5 minutes ain't enough for me, Your Honor.
Okay.
Well, okay.
Well,
Up next,
you're non-responsive, and then y'all have a fight because she's like, look, I'm doing blah, 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 blah. And
Maybe
then
if he'll give me some sex, maybe I'll stop being mean.
are you turned on by angry sex?
Yeah, he turned me on sometimes.
Drunken, angry sex.
Hold on.
You all have already got the roadmap. Nobody's willing to get on the road.
And she set the bar pretty low. She's like, look, I don't care if you're mad, and I just need 5 minutes.
You know what?
I mean,
Jay-Z, if
she
Jay-Z
set the
can
bar
make, if
pretty low
Jay-Z
for
can
you,
make
man.
time, why
I'm
you
just-
can't make time?
Can't
You say
get
we so
mad
busy,
sex,
but
man.
Jay-Z
That's
can
not-
make time, but you can't.
Man, look,
You ain't
let
even
me
Jay-Z.
Hold on. All right. So I get that. I understand that. But what I'm hearing from her is not always when y'all are fighting. It is you all could be perfectly fine, and she's like, all right, I'm gonna do this thing tonight. She puts on something sexy. She tries to romance you, and you're not interested. So it's not always when you're angry. So that's what I'm asking. Something's going on.
And what happens is she does all that and you're non-responsive, and then y'all have a fight because she's like, look, I'm doing blah, 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 blah. And
Maybe
then
if he'll give me some sex, maybe I'll stop being mean.
Maybe if she was more nice. I want to get some compliments. I want to come in the house
do
and say, you know,
compliment
you look
you.
good and all of that too.
Okay, all right.
He don't like my compliments.
One
I was
last
about to
question.
say, how you complimenting him? Show me what that looks like.
Okay, we could be in the grocery store. And I said, oh, baby, I like the way you pushing that buggy. You getting that buggy, baby. Push it. He don't like
I'm
that.
pushing the buggy.
So what? It's a compliment.
It's a compliment.
It's a playful compliment.
Yeah.
He know I
So-
play all day. So
Mr. Boyce, do you think it's an age difference issue?
Yeah, I think it's an age difference too.
Because you are, what, 8 years older than she is?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not one of these spring chickens running around here just
You
trying
took
to.
the words right out of my brain because I was like, well,
one of these
he,
spring chickens. So, you know, I mean,
she's 40. She's hitting her sexual peak. I mean, she's
Exactly.
you
I
gonna have
want
to
it, and
step
I
up
want
your
it now.
game.
Judge Dana and I, we're going to talk about this. We're going to deliberate, and we're going to let you know what we come up with, what we see, and give you some advice. All right? Okay. Tashi, would you show our litigants out at this point? It's the exact opposite of what you would think.
Yeah.
That, I know a lot of people who see us, they're like, man, you work with your wife, you work with your husband. I can never do that. Their romantic relationship is fine. They can never work together.
Correct.
They got businesses all over the place working, seem to be doing fine.
Exactly.
And it's just,
well, and they said to each other exactly what they need. The other ones, they're not listening. Now, this phone situation, ain't no way they tussled and threw the phone and all them cracks happened. So Frank, I think he was like, give me it, and threw it. So from that standpoint, I think that she's entitled to
$134.
the actually $133.99. If you want to be generous and give that penny, I'm okay with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, let's bring our litigants back in. The fact that you all are keeping multiple businesses running together is truly amazing to me because it's usually the other way around. The romantic relationship is fine, but you just can't work together, especially given the fact that you all counsel other couples on how to be a couple. That is just blowing my mind, okay? But I think we got a couple of solutions for you. One, you'll have to figure out how to communicate because I watch your communication style. As soon as he starts talking, you jump in on him. He doesn't even get to finish what he's saying. You, whenever you're asked a question about something, you deflect. I asked you about something you did. Well, what about her? She did that. You deflect. You don't answer the question. That is not a communication style that's going to be beneficial for you all. I mean, Judge Dana and I, we have worked together side by side in various capacities through school, college, law school, and our practice for 40-some years.
With that as a background, what we would have to do, because we worked together, we were raising a family together, we would have to carve out time where we knew this was our time to decompress and just focus on each other. And that gives you the space to okay, focus on her, focus on me, get yourself in a romantic mood. That gives you something to look forward to because y'all got kids and those are all huge distractions.
Love him, Yana.
So, and the reason y'all are so passionate about it is that you do love each other. That is very clear. And you want to.
I just need you to order him to give me some sex.
Well, the gavel only extends so far. So
Is that a metaphor or is that?
You metaphor, actual. So what we will order is one, that you all get some counseling on developing a better communication style that you can agree to. And then two, we are going to order you all to go on 2 staycations in the next 90 days so that you all can have sex. I understand not having angry sex. I don't understand it. I'm like, if I'm mad at you, I don't want you touching me. And other folks are
He knows I play, Your Honor.
Well, and I love the buggy thing because that's the kind of thing I would say to Mr. Cole, ooh, look at you mowing that lawn. Whoop, whoop.
Okay.
So I get it.
Now, as for the phone, you can't go around throwing people's phones. And I know you said it fell in the tussle, but you initiated the tussle. And because of that, we're going to order that you reimburse Ms. Oliver for the phone in the amount of $134. That is a ruling of the court, and this case is adjourned.
The best advice the judges gave me was making time. You got to make time for the people that you love.
I do always overtalk him, and I'm gonna try to listen.
Yeah, as much sex as she wants.
Good, because I'm ready for it right now. Like, right now.